So I have not made a video in a while. We have a risk for possible severe weather today from remnants of Hurricane Delta. It's 7 something in the morning. It's very humid outside. Just kind of watching, looking outside. It's real windy. It's not constant though. It's very humid though. I know that. It's hot outside. But pretty much it. Hopefully it won't be real bad. Because I know with Hurricane Sally, it was just the wind and the rain. We didn't really have a tornado threat. So I don't know. Of course, if it gets real bad, I'll film. See if I can get any good video. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. Just thought I'd make a small video talking about what's going on.